money controls the world. But the biggest wealth secrets stay hidden. Welcome to Bold Mysterious, where hidden financial truths become powerful wealth lessons. Most people work hard every single day. They wake up, go to work, earn money, pay bills, and repeat the same cycle. But there is one financial secret that separates wealthy people from everyone else. It's not just about how much money you earn, it's about what you do with that money. Rich people understand one simple rule: they buy things that put money into their pockets. Poor financial decisions usually come from buying things that take money away from you. The difference is called assets versus liabilities. Many people spend their entire lives buying liabilities while thinking they are becoming rich. And that's the reason their income increases, but their wealth never grows. So what exactly is an asset? An asset is something that adds value to your life financially. It either generates income, increases in value, or both. For example, a rental property that pays you monthly rent, a business that creates profit, stocks that grow over time, a skill that increases your earning ability. These things work for you. Even when you sleep, assets can continue creating value. That's why wealthy people focus on building assets. They don't just chase a bigger paycheck. They build systems where their money starts working for them. Now let's talk about liabilities. A liability is something that costs you money continuously. It takes money from your pocket. For example, a luxury car with expensive payments, a bigger house you cannot afford, a phone bought only to impress others, designer clothes purchased with debt. These things may look successful from the outside, but financially, they can slow you down, because every month they demand your money. The problem is, people often confuse expensive things with wealth, but looking rich and being rich are completely different. Imagine two people. Person A buys a brand new expensive car. Every month they pay car payments, fuel, maintenance, insurance. The car keeps taking money away. Now imagine person B. They buy a simple car and invest the extra money into assets. After years, person B may own investments, businesses, and income sources, while person A only owns an old car that lost value. The difference wasn't their income. The difference was their decisions. Wealthy people ask a different question. Most people ask, "Can I afford this?" Rich people ask, "Will this make me richer?" That one question changes everything. Before buying something, they think, "Will this create income? Will this increase in value? Will this help me build more opportunities?" This mindset allows them to slowly build financial freedom. A house can be an asset or a liability. It depends on how you use it. If you buy a house that creates rental income, it can become an asset. But if you buy an expensive house with huge payments that destroy your income, it becomes a liability. The object itself is not the answer. The financial impact is what matters. Many people fall into a dangerous cycle. They earn more. Then they upgrade their lifestyle. More expensive cars, more expensive phones, more expensive vacations. Their income increases, but their wealth stays the same, because every raise goes toward buying more liabilities. Wealthy people do something different. When their income increases, they increase their assets first. Then they enjoy the rewards later. You don't need millions to start. Small steps matter. Start by learning valuable skills. Save money for investments, understand businesses, invest carefully, build things that create long-term value. The goal is simple: move from buying things that consume your money to buying things that multiply your money. Remember this: a rich person can buy a luxury watch, but a smart rich person first owns assets that can buy thousands of watches. A poor mindset buys status. A wealthy mindset builds freedom. The difference is not what you own. The difference is what your ownership does for you. This is Bold Mysterious, where we uncover the hidden rules of money, wealth, and success. If you want to understand how money really works, subscribe now, because the next financial lesson could change the way you think forever.